It's easy to install PrintExp software in a few clicks thanks to the easy-to-use install wizard from antivirus. From the supplied USB drive or from your internet download, double-click the setup file and wait for the wizard to appear. Read and accept the brief license agreement, and then click Next. Confirm whether you'd like to create a desktop shortcut, click Next, and then click the Install button. It will take a few moments to install the necessary files. Once complete, any additional required .NET Framework redistributables will automatically install in the background. And that's it! The PrintExp software has now been installed on your computer. You can start using it straight away by clicking the Finish button. Thanks to our partner antivirus United Kingdom, we're pleased to provide a clean, fully translated version of the software in both UK and US English, with no need to disable your antivirus or adjust any firewall settings. Our team have taken every effort to produce the best version of the software, as you can see from the screen shown. This is just one of the reasons why customers choose antivirus over other brands.